Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, both pumped today. Ethereum up massively, Bitcoin and the stock market as well, which is very good news. We're going to do quick Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana technicals. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. And later today, in about 2 hours, I'm going to release an interview with All Stars Digital, a cryptocurrency project that I'm an advisor to and invested in, and these guys are doing a merging crypto with football, like soccer, and it's what they're building is something incredible. I'm going to have an interview with John Solana, who's a very famous footballer. Just amazing people. Make sure you check it out in the next video. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and big congratulations to everyone. We had massive gains all around from the students. Yesterday we had big moves in the market. 11% up on Coinbase, 6.5% on Meta, Facebook, Tesla up 6%. The Nasdaq up 4%. So massive pump in all the markets. TSM up 3%, which is beautiful. We're going into Bitcoin. On Bitcoin, huge buying volume. We broke to the upside of this this channel, as I predicted. Actually, big congratulations all of you who followed that video yesterday. And we're looking like we're forming a bull flag. We are overbought on the 4-hourly, but massive volume coming in. Huge volume. Look at that. Volume predicts price. We also had by doing this, we created a big cup and handle here. This one. So that can send us up quite high for Bitcoin. The base of the cup and handle, this distance here, can be the target. Let's use an info line so we can see it more clearly. This distance here, we could be having a movement of another 9% for Bitcoin from where we're sitting right now. 25,000 would be the target. So there's a big potential here for Bitcoin. Big congratulations to anyone that took that trades last few days, because we made massive gains. The trade that I said for earlier today in the previous video already didn't execute because it was a bit lower. I would open the trade where we're sitting right now. Stop loss if you want to trade Bitcoin. Let's look in the hourly. On the hourly, we're oversold, turning to head up. Bull flag forming, 15 minutes also. So I would go long here on Bitcoin. I would actually open a long where we're sitting right now. Stop loss below the weekly and the take profit at the top of this channel. That gives us a 17.39 ratio trade. So for every $400 you risk, you'd make $7,100 gain without leverage. With 10x leverage, it'll be $71,000 of profits. With 100x leverage, $710,000 of profits. This is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. I'm going to share this in the Telegram group. If you want to trade Bitcoin, use the link down below in the description below. You can use it using this link. So in the description of the video, everyone go down below, sign up to Bybit. This link down below, you get $4,450 sign up bonus. Bybit, if you've been using other exchanges, Bybit is the third biggest exchange, never been hacked, your money's safe. I like to use them for my trading. So I'm going to open a trade now. I'm going to show you how. So go down below, sign up to Bybit. Once you sign up, it will give you this trading account. Then I'm going to show you how to open the trade. In here, I have $435,935 in here, almost $500,000 in here. It pumped around more than $30,000 since yesterday, which is beautiful. I've got Bitcoin 6.7, I've got USD 136,000, I've got Solana 91,000, USD 6,000. I've got a Bitcoin trade that's open, $9,200 in the profits, 154%. It's a $53,000 Bitcoin trade. I would open that long. If you haven't opened a long yet on Bitcoin, I would open this long on Bitcoin now. So opening at 23,000 where we're sitting right now, stop loss at 22,547, take profit at 30,000. So opening the trade where we're sitting right now, order cost, I would do $1,000 trade. You have to only risk 2% of your capital, everyone. So make sure your stop loss is no more than 2% of your capital. So the stop loss will be at 22,547. So I'd risk $191, and take profit would be at the top of the channel, 30,000. So I'd risk $191 to make $2,719. Epic risk to reward. Make sure your stop loss is no more than 2% of your capital. So if you were to risk $1,000, you need to be trading then with $200,000, right? If you were to risk no more than 2% of your capital, $100,000, then you could risk $2,000. If you traded with $10,000, then you could risk $200. So never risking more than 2% of your capital. That's a trade that I would take on Bitcoin. I'm going to share this inside the Telegram group. Let's look at Solana. I think I'm going to actually buy one more Bitcoin here, because I think Bitcoin is going to have a pump here. So over here, I'm going to be buying, it's up 8% today. So let's buy a point. It's better to buy when it drops, not on a pump. So I'm going to buy half a Bitcoin. Buy half a Bitcoin at the current price. Buy Bitcoin, I need to use USDC. So let's use USDC, BTC, USDC. I'm going to buy half a Bitcoin. So $11,000 worth of Bitcoin, confirmed at the current price, confirmed. order is now set, and it executed. So now I've got 7.2 Bitcoin in this account, and over in Binance I've got in here 489,000, almost 490,000 US dollars, almost $500,000. I've got 9 Bitcoin in here. I've got BUSD 102,000. I've got Solana 101,000 and BNB 72,000. I'm going to buy another Bitcoin in here because I think Bitcoin is going to go on a run from what I'm seeing right now. So I'm going to, with BUSD, buy Bitcoin. So BTC, BUSD. I'm going to buy 1 Bitcoin in here. Amount 1 Bitcoin in here. Confirmed. So now I have in this account 10 Bitcoin, which is beautiful. So I've got now 10 Bitcoin with 232,000. I've got $101,000 worth of Solana, BUSD 79,000, BNB 72,000. And I've got some Solana trades open at 25 and BNB to buy at 236, but it doesn't look like those will execute. So those are the trades that I've set for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to go for a pump. Now let's look at Solana, back at $40. Huge movement up from that bottom. Congratulations, anyone that took that trade yesterday. You're massively in the profits already from that trade from yesterday or the day before. Yeah, yesterday on Solana. It's looking good. Hourly turning up, 4 hourly turning up, daily turning up. Solana is looking beautiful here. The target will be the top of this channel, so I would actually go long on Solana from where we're sitting right now. Stop loss just below here, take profit at the top of the channel. That's 4.33 ratio trade, 26% without leverage. With 10x leverage will be 260%. This is the trade that I would take on Solana, and Solana is looking for a big movement right now to $50. So I have around, so in this account I've got of Solana, I've got $101,000 worth of Solana, and in this account in Bybit I've got around $91,000 of Solana. So I've got quite a bit of Solana in here. Again, to open trades like you're seeing me do underneath this video, sign up to Bybit to trade and you get that $4,450 bonus, and join us in the Telegram live alerts group. Inside that Telegram group here, we now have in this group 3,678 people in here, many people making massive gains. Look at these gains from yesterday. This student made 175% on Bitcoin. This is inside a free Telegram. This student 384% on Bitcoin. This is just from yesterday. This student, can't see too many numbers. Many people making huge gains. Let's see today. Today, this student made 1,840% on Ethereum Classic. Big congratulations to you. K48, you made massive gains. This student 1,049% on Ethereum Classic. Many people making huge gains, which is beautiful. Those are my trades. Those are my thoughts in the market. Let's see if there's any important information. These are some more student gains. 165% on Mana, 81% on BNB taking trades. Bitcoin is in the big, extremely undervalued kind of point of the rainbow, which is very interesting. Extremely undervalued. My parents in their 30s. Let's buy this house and have 3 kids. Me in my 30s. I shall buy JPEGs online for 5 Ethereum. Thanks, James, for the update. I'll keep supporting you to the end. You are the best. I like the way you give your honest opinion, but also give us indicators both up and down. And my students just making massive gains inside this Telegram group. 504%, 23%, 41%. These are just from yesterday. 72%, 901%. Everyone making massive gains. Thank you all for watching. Have an amazing day. Those are my thoughts on the market when it comes to Bitcoin and Solana. I think a big pump is coming, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button. Join 77,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru. I'll see you all again tomorrow.